Hello, my name is Taylor, and welcome to my vitamin E presentation. Let's go ahead and talk about what is vitamin E. Well, it's an antioxidant. It's a substance that helps protect cells from being damaged. As we know, there are two types of vitamins. There are fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin E happens to be a fat-soluble compound, along with vitamins A, D, and K. These compounds are stored in our fatty tissues and liver. Remember, vitamin E dissolves in fats and oils. It's a fatty substance. Roles of vitamin E. Let's go ahead and discuss a few major roles of vitamin E and how they help our body. They protect our cells, support a healthy immune system, and help widen blood vessels. Protection of cells. Let's go ahead and find out how they protect our cells. Vitamin E protects our cells from free radicals. Free radicals are harmful to our body. They're even cancer causing. Remember, vitamin E is an antioxidant and they help fight against these. It's important because every day we're fighting against pollution, breathing in toxins, and heat. It's easy for us to get these free radicals, and we do not want them for a healthy lifestyle. Free radicals are unpaired molecules throughout the body. Uneven amounts make it easier for them to connect with antioxidants. When these two get together, they can take over our body, causing diseases and even cancer. Free radicals cause oxidation even. When cells are weakened, we're more susceptible to cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancers. When you have heart diseases, this can lead to heart attacks. We'll talk about it later in the slides. So here is a diagram of a normal cell division and cancer cell division. Look how the cancer cell division take over compared to this normal cell division. See how it's all by himself, unpaired? It's a free radical. It's cancer causing right there. Vitamin E supports a healthy immune system. So we're able to function and do the things we want in life, like go on a jog and out with our friends. Vitamin E fights off bacteria and viruses. It fights off infected cells as well, like the diagram I shown before. It activates other immune cells for an effective immune response. This initiates other cells in the body to activate and let them know to take care of the cancer-causing cells and get them out of our body. Another role vitamin E has, it fights off bacteria and viruses. When your body is starting to become ill, your body releases an immune response, signaling your body to fight and attack harmful bacteria and viruses. Vitamin E is also known for fighting off respiratory infections and prevention of asthma, studies have shown. How vitamin E fights against infected cells? Well, we already know it boosts our immune system and their capability to repair cells. And we know that they put vitamin E in all types of lotions and all types of beauty products. And we know that it heals wounds and helps it in a timely manner. We can also take it internally, orally, basically just eating a capsule of it or in our vegetables. And we can also just put it on our skin. Let's go ahead and get a little more technical. Vitamin E prevents lipid peroxidation and associated cell membrane damage. It maintains signal transduction and production of proteins. Remember, it signals and lets the body know when it's under attack. So it directly affects the function of immune cells. Another major function of vitamin E, it helps widen blood vessels. Widening blood vessels reduces risk of blood clots, reduces risk of heart attack, and reduces blood sugar levels. Vitamin E and vitamin K work together. So we know that vitamin K helps control the blood flow. So vitamin E and K can prevent the clotting in our body. Too much vitamin E can lead to excessive amounts of bleeding. Typically, this does not happen to healthy individuals. It usually happens to people who are fighting against diseases or who are older and taking supplements. With vitamin E being a fatty soluble compound, we know that this is stored in our liver and our tissues. So we know that if you don't get enough of this, over time, eventually it can cause the hardening of the arteries. This is when heart attacks come in. When your arteries harden, your blood can't flow. So major heart attacks can be fatal. Vitamin E helps with the blood flow. That's why it's so crucial to prevent against these heart attacks. Key major functions. Well, we know that it protects our cells from damage of free radicals. It keeps our nerve and red blood cells healthy, prevents from clots and forming in the blood, and keeps the normal function of our brain and nervous system. And we definitely know that it supports a healthy immune system. We need vitamin E in our body. Vitamin E helps form red blood cells, help the body use vitamin K, help cells interact with each other and keep the body healthy, and helps keep the immune system strong and fights against viruses and bacteria. Recommended daily amount for women, men, and pregnant women. Women and men ages 14 and up need 15 milligrams a day of vitamin E. Pregnant women or nursing, aka lactating women, need 19 milligrams each day, just 5 more milligrams a day than the average. Vitamin E supports a healthy body and proper body functioning. This is what 15 milligrams of vitamin E looks like a day. This is all we need to get through a day for our body to be healthy. We have 1 ounce of dry roasted sunflower seeds. This is about half of the recommended daily amount right here. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. 2 cups of raw spinach. We can easily put this in a salad. We can have a little bit in the morning, a little bit for lunch or dinner. We don't have to make it more difficult than it is to take our vitamins. Vitamin E is found in many foods, making deficiencies rare in the United States. Did you know that Northern America has the highest amount of vitamin E found in their foods? Individuals with fat malabsorption disorders or digestive tissues are more susceptible to have vitamin E deficiencies. These are just a few of the diseases that an individual would have to have the malabsorption diseases that lead to the deficiencies. So we have the pancreatitis, the cystic fibrosis, and celiac disease. Basically, it's keeping toxins in your body that need to be released, and it's causing harm to your body. Individuals need to sometimes detox their body to get rid of these toxins and harmful waste. These are just a few of the deficiency symptoms. Ataxia is when your body loses control of its movements. Retinopathy is damage to the retina. The retina is around your eye, that middle part, and peripheral neuropathy. This is basically damage to the peripheral nerve, so this can cause pain to your feet and it can cause weakness. There is no evidence in toxic effects from vitamin E found in natural foods, studies have shown. Tolerable upper intake levels. Little girls and boys ages 4 to 8 should have about 300 milligrams a day of vitamin E. Boys ages 9 to 13 and girls should have about 600 milligrams of vitamin E a day. Teenagers, girls and boys ages 14 to 18 should have about 800 milligrams a day. And then if you're pregnant or lactating, women who are nursing their babies should have about 800 milligrams of vitamin E a day. Women and men ages 19 and up should have a maximum intake of 1,000 milligrams a day. Remember, the daily amount recommended is only 15 milligrams a day for individuals who are 14 and up. In ages 19 and up who are lactating should have 19 milligrams a day. This is the tolerable upper intake level, not the recommendation. Symptoms of toxicity doses of 400 to 1,000 or more daily. So if you're a healthy individual, you're not going to find any symptoms. If you're unhealthy and you have such as a disease or you're an older individual, you might have some excessive bleeding. You could have a heart attack, and this could lead you to Alzheimer's disease. So 400 IUs is equivalent to 180 milligrams. And like I just said, daily recommendation is set at 15 milligrams a day of vitamin E. And like I mentioned before, since vitamin E is found in so many foods in Northern America, individuals really do not need to take supplements of vitamin E. Natural vitamin E foods. Well, these include nuts, plant-based oils, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Wheat germ oil. Just 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 20.3 milligrams. Wow, that's 135% of the recommended daily amount. Dry roasted sunflower seeds, 1 ounce of them is 7.4 milligrams. That's about half of the daily amount. And peanut butter, 2 tablespoons is 2.9 milligrams. So that's about 19% of the daily amount recommendation. Vitamin E can be definitely tasty. Green leafy vegetables.